I've been running this car without a catch can for probably 10,000 miles ever since I bought this car used. Had 5,000 miles on it. So we're going to see if I really needed a catch can or not. I'm going to take the throttle body off and take a look in there, see how much oil got up in there. Got the install complete. Very simple install. Less than 5 minutes. Got a connector there. Connector there. That one clamp there, if you can see that. Now we'll move on to the throttle body. I want to clean that out to see how much oil is in there. Look at this. I done struck oil. Look at that mess in there. Can't get a good picture of the rotors in there, but looking up in there, the rotors don't look like it has any oil on it, thank goodness, but I learned my lesson. It's crazy. And I done cleaned the living, you know what, out of the supercharger housing. My next oil change, I'll be taking that throttle body off again and seeing if there's a difference and clean that. Install complete. Clean the heck out of that supercharger housing. The reason why I got the oil separator is because I was having some hesitation, tipping to acceleration. Went out, took it for a test drive, seemed to clear it up. So we'll see in a few thousand miles if it continues to do it or not. But I will never, ever run without an oil separator again. So don't be dumb like me. Get an oil separator. Thanks.